In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook account on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is load up Monopoly Go on your device. So here we are on Monopoly Go. I'm currently logged in. Now what you're going to want to do first is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three lines to open up the menu. From here, come down to the settings icon at the very bottom, and what you want to do from here is press onto the green Connect Account button. Now all you need to do is go ahead and disconnect your current Facebook account by pressing the disconnect button from here, and once you've done that you can come out of the Monopoly Go app. So next what you want to do before you go ahead and log in with your other Facebook account is you want to go and locate the Monopoly Go app on your device, and what you want to do is long hold and press onto the app itself and then come down to app info. From here, scroll down until you get to the storage section, press on storage, and what you want to do from here is clear the cache at the bottom and press the clear data button. Once you've gone ahead and done that, it's going to come over with a pop-up saying delete. Go ahead and press delete, and what you can then do is go ahead, load up Monopoly Go on your device, and again follow the steps by going to the menu, coming down to settings, going down to connect account, and you will see the option to connect your other Facebook account from here. So that's how to go ahead and change your Facebook account on Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.